The ZUYIYI 6-inch cordless circular saw is designed to work seamlessly with Makita 18-volt batteries, providing unparalleled freedom from cords and outlets. Equipped with a high-torque brushless motor, this mini circular saw achieves an impressive speed of 12,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring powerful and spark-free performance. With adjustable cutting depths of up to 2 inches at 90 degrees and 1.1 inches at 45 degrees, it allows for precise and flexible cutting on various woodworking projects. The ergonomic design includes advanced safety features such as a double protection switch and overheat protection, making it a safe choice for both novice and experienced users. Capable of cutting through wood, soft metals, tiles, plastics, and PVC tubes, this tool is versatile enough for a wide range of home decoration projects. Supporting blade diameters from 5½ inches to 6 inches, this circular saw provides flexibility in blade selection while maintaining cutting efficiency.